In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital templates by choosing a niche, setting up Gumroad, and turning free downloads into paid customers. If you want a simple digital product business model, templates are a great place to start. They're practical, easy to demonstrate, and they solve a specific problem for a specific type of person. The first thing you need to do is identify a niche. Instead of trying to make something for everyone, focus on one clear use case. Good examples include a second brain template for productivity fans, a habit tracker for people building routines, or a student planner for students who need help organizing classes, assignments, and deadlines. The goal here is to make your template functional and useful, not just visually appealing. People are much more likely to download and recommend something that genuinely helps them get results. Once your template is ready, the next step is to set up Gumroad. Upload your template link as a digital product so people can access it after they purchase or download it. Keep your product page clear and simple. Make sure the title explains exactly what the template is, and use the description to highlight what the user can do with it, who it's for, and why it's valuable. If possible, include preview images or a short explanation of how it works, because the easier it is for someone to understand the product, the more likely they are to take action. After that, use a pay-what-you-want pricing model for a simplified version of the template. Setting the minimum price at 0 lets people download it for free, while still giving them the option to pay if they want. More importantly, this can help you collect emails through the platform, which creates an opportunity to build a relationship with potential buyers. The free version should be useful on its own, but limited enough that the premium version feels like a meaningful upgrade. Then, upsell your premium versions by sending automated email workflows through Gumroad. This is where you convert free users into paid customers. Your email should guide people toward the next step by showing the added value of the premium template, such as more features, better organization, or more advanced systems. Timing matters here, so make sure the messages feel helpful rather than pushy. Finally, promote your templates with video walkthroughs on YouTube, TikTok, and Reddit. Show people how the template works in real life, what problem it solves, and what kind of result they can expect. Short, clear demonstrations tend to perform best because they help people imagine themselves using the product. If you stay consistent with useful content